So it's here, guys. Moment of truth. My order from Baltic watches just came, and as expected, customs already opened the package. I hope everything that needs. Oh, it's not open.
Or maybe they just like wait it. Okay. Hope everything is in order.
There you go. Wow. See that? Very nice. I hope everything is here, in place and in order. So, truth. There you go. What is this? Okay, it's a letter. Oh, it's a thingamajig. It's a tool to adjust the bracelet, I guess. Cool. And I like the cork box. So it's a double box. Oh, okay. What do we have here? We have, I think this is the manual. We have, oh, there you go. The card. The warranty. Okay, I'm not gonna show you I'm gonna check a closer look later. Oh, they already adjusted the watch, so that's the extra link. Obviously, I got the Beats of Rice bracelet. Whoops, it's sideways, but okay. All right. Oh my God, it's here. Oh my God, it's here. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Let's just zoom in. Look at the details on this thing. Wow. Look at that inside chapter ring or track. What do you call that? Inner track. There are layers to this thing. It looks so simple on photos and on videos, but if you look closely, there's dimensions to it. So the applied hour markers is remarkable. Oh, we haven't gotten to the case back. Oh, wow. I love that rotor. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh, just look at that. Let me focus. Okay, have it focus. Wow. The beads of rice. It's a little like loose or something. I think the way to adjust this is through. It's not screwed. I mean, sorry, the links are not screws, but I think it's like pins. Let me try it on. So it's still loose on me, but yeah, this is a very attractive watch. Yeah, I'm so happy. Ah, thank you.